In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Norton 360 VPN in just 5 minutes. Many of us rely on the internet for personal tasks and work-related matters, making online security a top priority. Using a VPN, like Norton 360, adds an extra layer of protection, safeguarding your data from potential prying eyes. So, let's get started. Firstly, the journey to secure browsing begins by locating the Norton app on your device. Whether you're using a desktop, laptop, or mobile device, you'll want to look for the familiar yellow and black Norton icon. It might be sitting on your desktop or within your program list. Go ahead and open the Norton app. This initial step is crucial, as Norton 360 consolidates various security features, including the VPN we're interested in. Once you've successfully opened the Norton app, you'll find yourself on the home screen. This screen acts as the central hub for all Norton services. It's organized in a user-friendly manner, which makes navigating through it quite straightforward. On the home screen, direct your attention to the navigation options presented to you. Click on the Home button if you're not already there. This ensures you're in the right spot to access all the necessary functionalities of Norton 360. Now that you're on the home page, it's time to locate the VPN services. Do you see that option labeled Secure VPN? This is where the magic happens. Click on the Secure VPN tab, and it will bring up all the details about your VPN access. It's here that you can activate your VPN, ensuring that your internet connection is private and secured with just a click. Remember, activating your VPN is essential when you're connecting to public Wi-Fi networks or if you're handling sensitive information online. It encrypts your internet traffic and disguises your online identity, which makes it more difficult for third parties to track your activities online and steal data. And there you have it. You've successfully opened and are ready to use Norton 360 VPN. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. Make a habit of checking and ensuring your VPN is turned on, especially when browsing on unfamiliar networks. The additional layer of security it provides helps maintain your privacy and protect your data. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this straightforward guide helpful, and you're now a step closer to securing your online activity with Norton 360 VPN. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on ensuring your online safety. See you next time.